Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make Google Meet link in laptop or computer PC. We start by searching Google Meet in the search engine and enter its official website. After that, we log in to enter the main screen. Here we are going to click on New Meeting, and we can choose between create a meeting for later and schedule it, or start a meeting now, as in this example. Once we start the meeting, we will see a box at the bottom where we will look at the link that appears. We can copy this link to share it. If this notice does not appear or you close it, you can consult the link at any time by clicking on the information icon that you see. Here you will have the link that you can copy. Finally, when you already have the link copied, you can send it to another contact by email so they can click on it, or paste it into a browser to enter the meeting directly. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.